Good morning. I'm Chef Bob, and it's experimental baking day, and I'm making another quick bread. It's gonna be a little obnoxious, a little bit different than normal. Let me show you some ingredients I've got. I've got 1 egg in this bowl and 1/2 cup of applesauce. We'll give it a nice mix. One cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 'cause that's all I had, some English walnuts, and a few chocolate chips, along with a touch of cinnamon, some salt, roughly 1 teaspoon. Then 2½ cups of flour. In my blender, I've got a cup of coffee, a banana, 3 cuties, 8 grapes, and some frozen mixed fruit. I don't know why. Just wanted to give it a try. Let's find out what happens. As always, I've got my oven set at 350 and I've got my pan greased ready to go. So let's get to mixing. I always have fruits that my kids don't eat all of, but I can eat only so many smoothies to eat up bananas and oranges and all that stuff. So today, I'm gonna use them in my bread. I've always got a little bit of sugar. I'm gonna mix it up nicely, and we'll see how it turns out. I'm gonna add a little bit of honey. I forgot to tell you that I also have 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And now I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup of honey. Mostly because I like it. And Hugo likes it too, don't you, Hugo? Yes, I do. I like it a lot. Say goodbye, Hugo. Goodbye, Hugo. So let's get to mixing. Again, when I make these kind of batters, I always want to make sure that it's kind of like pancake batter, not too smooth, but not a whole lot of lumps. I like a whole lot of lumps. And we'll see how it turns out. But you want to see the batter? Let me show you an easier way. Looks pretty good. More like cake batter than bread batter. So maybe it'll be an experimental cake. We'll see. I'm gonna cook it for about an hour. I always start at like 45 minutes and then we'll go from there. But we'll see. See how it goes. It's mixed. It's got a few lumps in it. Got my brown sugar. Got my flour all mixed in. The coffee I used was called Mississippi Grog. It's a medium roast coffee. So I'm gonna get her in the oven. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Remember, love is love. If you need a hug, find me, Chef Bob.